I keep it fresh, keep it real, I keep it fresh, keep it real, I keep it fresh. All this, all this, all this.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want, could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place.
I feel like you're always so positive. Yeah, anyway guys, these are so freaking like they are blinding me.
I can hardly open my eyes.
My boyfriend big noise. And who did I press? That is the flop.
Left one switch engaged. Double switch engaged.
Okay, that's really papa. This side.
Okay. Right, both switch engaged.
Alright guys, as you can see how this is really bright, and I don't know, comment down below if you think it's actually yay or it's well, I know that it's dope. So just comment down below and let me know how excited you are. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, man. What can I do? Yeah, you.
Yes, sir.
Loving how you